spent way too much. I spent a total of Hey guys, it's me, that guy Simon. So welcome to another day of video, a vlog, shopping haul. So as you can see, ang dami nating gamit dito, over to my right. That's because I went to Japan. In my previous video, we went to Japan. It was my first solo trip. Siguro masabi ko lang sa trip na yun is that I spent way too much than what my budget was. We are going to do a shopping haul of what I bought in Japan. Where did I get it from? How much ko siya nabili? And I'm gonna share you siguro some of the tricks or maybe like shopping hacks, tricks, mga do's and don'ts that I learned personally. Siguro alam niyo na to, but wala, share ko lang siguro. But not all of these are from Japan. Yung iba dito, PR, yung iba binibenta ko. So yeah, let's go get started. As soon as I landed guys, in day 1 pa lang, dumiretso agad ako sa Uniqlo kasi bumili ako ng heatex. So these are ultra warm na heatex. I got 2, tapos meron pang dalawang socks. It's somewhere around here. Para ko siya mahanap. Plus itong heatex na socks din. Ito guys, nabili ko to for 1,200 pesos, which I think is a steal. And itong socks naman to, this was around 300 pesos each. So yep, I got this sa Uniqlo sa my Amiyoko shopping street. The reason why I bought this is because in December, we are going to be spending our Christmas na somewhere cold, like -degree cold. So yep, I think kulang pa to, but we'll have to make do. So yun yung una kong nabili. So that's like how much? I think that's a total of, I think I spent 2,900 pesos dito sa heatex na to. Yep, okay. Second, alright, so if napanood niyo yung vlog ko, yung second day, pumunta tayo sa Mount Fuji. So nag-join tayo ng Mount Fuji tour. And one of the itineraries there was to go to Gotemba Premium Outlet. So actually may 2 options yung tour na yun. Either 2 hour yung worth ng Gotemba Outlet shopping or 3 hour. I chose the 2 hours. Yun yung mali ko. Ito na siguro yung first tip ko. If goal nyo sa Japan is mag-shopping, pupunta ka sa Gotemba Outlet, definitely mag-book kayo ng 3 hours or mag-DIY na lang kayo. I suggest the latter. Pumunta tayo sa Beams. So Beams is a local Japanese clothing brand. It's actually good. Hindi ko na siya susukatin ngayon kasi may lakad ako ng 3 o'clock. It's 2:45 already. So check nyo na lang yun sa TikTok na yun. I got this sweater from 4,000 to 2,900 pesos na lang. Which is good deal, di ba? So guys, ganito yung tela niya. It's very knitted. So I guess second tip ko for this video is that kung pupunta kayo sa outlet, you don't have that much time or like ayaw mo na maglakad-lakad, gusto mo yung hanap na agad yung good deals. Dumiretso kayo sa mga local shops na agad. I mean, yeah, okay, sige, pwede din kayo pumunta sa Onitsuka, may mga good deals din doon. But probably kasi it's gonna be packed. Siguro yun yung tip ko personally na natuto ko. Mas madami ako napili dito sa Beams compared sa nag-ikot-ikot ako dun sa Gotemba Outlet. Third day natin is pumunta tayo sa Shinjuku. Pumunta ako sa Uniqlo nila. And I got this wool trousers. Ayan o, so as you can see, pleated siya. I would say actually ito yung pinaka-magandang pants na nabili ko. Actually, pinaka-magandang pants na nasa wardrobe ko ngayon. Very quality. This was on sale, 1,500 pesos. Medyo nagsising ako kasi yung Uniqlo na pinunta ko sa Shinjuku. Although malaki siya, pero it's not comparable to the one sa Ginza. Yung malaking building na Uniqlo. Alam mo, pumunta ako doon, I got so overwhelmed. Umabot na ako sa first floor. And actually, along with the pants, bumili na din ako nitong Uniqlo bag. So this was 700 pesos. Actually, itong bag na to very spacious. So ginamit ko mga to day 4, day 5 sa trip na yon. Tip number 3 ko guys. Nagdala kayo ng backpack. Like a big ass backpack. Yung backpack na ginamit ko came from Straightforward. So malaki siya, very spacious. Nalagay ko dun actually lahat ng mga pinambibili ko. Probably if you'll be going around Japan shopping, you'll need to put your stuff somewhere as much as possible. Ako kasi may bit-bit. So I put my stuff dun sa backpack. So yeah, I guess that's my third tip. So nung day 3 din, bumili din tayo ng shoes. But unfortunately, isa lang nabili natin kasi ang daming pasabay. So yung third buy natin is itong Puma Deviate Nitro 3. Actually, ginamit ko na siya for 2 to 3 times already. Dito sa Philippines, this is 8,800. But sa Japan, I got this at lang 7,700 sa Alpen, Tokyo. Nag 10 kilometers na ako actually sa Japan. And ito yung ginamit ko. Para lang ma-break in natin. Actually, the main purpose why I bought this is may upcoming Hyrox ako sa December. And ito yung gagamitin natin. Another thing na nabili ko nung day 3 is ito. So this is the new era Japan exclusive na cap. Wala pa akong caps na closed. So binili ko to. So may mga cartoon characters and may mga Japanese words. So if curious kayo kung ano itsura niya, ganito. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But ako personally, gusto ko patalikod siya kasi mas maangas tingnan. Mas maangas.
Kalimutan mo na yan.
Yep, ito naman nabili ko to for 2,700 pesos. So I think sa Australia, hopefully my Australia exclusive na cap, yun naman bibili natin. So nung day 4 naman natin guys, yun yung pinaka-stress kong araw. If napanood nyo yung vlog na yun, if you know, you know. Nilock phone ko ng 1 hour. 9. Oh my god, 3 hours. So basically, yung nabili ko doon is itong H&M na pants. I got this pants for casual days lang. This is 500 pesos naman. 500 pesos. Kailangan hindi natin bilhin, di ba? So, dapat yung mga ganyan, no questions asked. Bili mo na agad. Sa Pilipinas ka na magsisi. I think yun lang nabili ko sa day 4. Ay, day 5 naman is more shopping day. So, una ko nabili is this scarf from GU. I got this at around 700 pesos. What else? Tip number 4. Japan is also known for its like unique fashion sense, diba? Unique fashion style. So, I would suggest guys, if pupunta kayo ng Japan, buy mga Japan exclusive stuff. Ang dami doon Japan exclusive stuff. I guess tip number 5 ko na din to sa inyo. Prioritize nyo yung mga vintage shopping store. I think yun yung pinagsisihan ko. So, that includes Second Street, yung Beams, Urban, I forgot the name, Urban something. And yung mga local stores can be pretty expensive, but if goal nyo talaga mag-shopping, you have budget to spare, budget to spend, then by all means, busin nyo na. Huwag na kayo umain. That being said, ito actually yung favorite purchase buong Japan trip. I got this Shibuya. The brand is called Lift. It's a gym wear brand. Guys, I swear, I'm telling you, ito, sobrang yung quality, like, this is the shirt. Sobrang ganda niya. The reason why I bought this kasi gusto ko sana bumili ng I Love Japan, I Love Tokyo na t-shirt. But then I saw this kasi nakalagay Shibuya, Tokyo. Alam mo yun, parang souvenir plus at the same time. Pwede ko siya magamit pang forma and pang gym. Like I'm hitting 2 birds in 1 stone. Pinag-aside ko lang sarili ko. Kasi ang mahal nito. Like, I bought this ng 2,600 pesos. But to be fair, the quality is so nice. Plus, ang ganda din ng packaging nila. So, habang naglalakad din ako guys sa Shibuya, I thought to myself, kasi Japan ako, it wouldn't be a Japan trip for me if walang anime ako nabili. So, you know what I bought? Tadaan! So, ito nabili ko. It's a one-piece comic book. I don't know, maybe just like a souvenir for myself. Nabili ko to na around like 150 to 200 pesos. Ito sana nag-order ako na ito na madami. Bumili ako ng protein bars. This is cost only like 80 pesos. Guys, 80 pesos. So, actually, 5 yung nabili ko. Yung 2 na kain ko sa airport is sobrang gutom ako. Tip number 6. Ako personally hindi na ako ulit babalik sa Don Quixote. Sobrang overwhelming siya. I would suggest go to a local drugstore na lang. Siguro dito sa Philippines, comparable siya sa mga Daiso because the prices there are cheaper tsaka hindi ganun ka-overwhelming. Tip number 7. If shopping kayo, isiksik nyo na sa isang araw yung Shinjuku and Shibuya. But personally, I like Shinjuku way better for shopping. Alright, so yung last purchase natin is itong Airism na long sleeves. Sobrang last minute purchase to kasi nabili ko to sa airport mismo. Ito guys, nabili ko to for 500 pesos lang. So of course, again, no questions asked. So actually, nalimutan ko, binilhan ko din yung mom ko ng On Cloud Monster 1. Ito, nabili ko to sa Ginza. I bought this ng 8,000, which here in the Philippines would cost roughly around like 10,000 to 11,000. Surprisingly guys, when walang pila. I spent a total of 22,500. Hindi ko na sinama yung shoes for mom. Yeah, again, I spent way too much. Anyways guys, yun na naman. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot. And if di nyo pa napapanood yung vlog ko, travel vlog for Shibuya, for my solo Japan trip, definitely go watch that one kasi I think mas may enjoy nyo yun. So yep, I'll see you to the next one. Peace.